Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I prepare this delicious calamari stew. These are the following ingredients. I have here onions 1 bulb, I have olive oil, you can use any oil of your choice, I have carrots, I will also be using some celery. The next ingredient will be my tomatoes. You can use chopped tomatoes as well, and then I will be using white wine. This is optional. The star of the day, which is my calamari, washed and cleaned already. I will be using fresh pepper, aka atarodo. I will also be using maggi and salt, and then I will be using my green peas. So come with me as we cook. In a clean pan, add your olive oil and allow to hot for some minutes before adding the next ingredient. If you have watched so far, please click the subscription bell, like, share, and leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you. Now I will be adding my sliced onions and allow to fry for 2 to 3 minutes before adding the next ingredients. Now I will be adding the chopped celery and then stir together with the onions. I will go ahead to add my chopped carrots and stir everything together, and I will then allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, I will be adding my fresh pepper, aka atarodo, the one you can tolerate. At this point, I will be adding the main thing, which is the calamari. Guys, you can buy the washed and clean one at the supermarket, I mean the frozen type, or you can buy from your fish vendor. But remember, say you wash your calamari before using it. And then I will stir everything together. However, I will be adding the white wine. Guys, you can skip this part. This is optional, but I bet you this is going to add flavor to your dish. And I will go ahead to stir this together. After allowing it to cook for some minutes, I will be adding the green peas and then stir. To take this to another level, I will be adding my tomatoes blend, or you can use chopped tomatoes, and thereafter I will mix everything together. I will be covering this up to cook for 2 to 4 minutes and then open up the pan. My fellow brethren, can you see what I'm seeing? The aroma in this kitchen is something else. At this point, I will be adding the maggi, and thereafter I will go ahead to add some salt as well and mix everything together and leave to cook for a few minutes. And I will also be tasting for salt and maggi. And now that everything is on point, I will go ahead to off my gas cooker. This can be eaten with rice, pasta or spaghetti. For me, I use my bread. Thank you for watching up to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe. I guess my work here is done. See you in my next video. Bye.